This rice cooker's soy-glazed chicken is my new go-to weekday meal. With just a few basic ingredients, this delicious one-pot dish comes together in under 30 minutes. It requires just a splash of sesame oil, so it's healthy, hearty, and heavenly. Perfect for those busy nights when you want something tasty without the fuss. So let's get cooking and whip up this effortless delight. Find the detailed recipe in the description and the Bangla recipe in the comment section. To get more amazing recipes, do not forget to like and subscribe to our social handles.